Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up recurring activities in Odoo, whether it's for weekly, bi-weekly or monthly, and also how to automatically trigger next activity when one is completed. So you never miss a follow-up or important task. So let's dive in. So I'm going to the activity types where I created 3 different activity types, namely weekly, bi-weekly and monthly. When I go to the weekly recurrence, you'll be able to see 3 different fields where I have set the values. The one is chaining type, where you'll be able to see 2 different options, suggest next activity and trigger next activity. So here in this case, I have given trigger next activity. Then in this field, you need to select the name of the activity which you're going to trigger when the current one is completed. So I've given the same name. Next in schedule, I'm just going to give 1 week since it's for weekly. And then here you can give based on your needs, whether you need to trigger other activity after the completion date of the current activity, or you need to trigger other activity after the previous activity deadline. It depends upon our needs. Next, when you go to the bi-weekly, the same thing, but here I have given 2 weeks. The third one is for monthly, where I have given 1 monthly. And then I'm just going to the module where you want to manage your activity. I'm currently going to the sale module. Click on any sale order. I'm just going to create activity for Michelle admin. Let's say it's for weekly. And then when you click on the weekly recurrence, automatically the due date updates here. And then I'm just going to click on schedule. In order to test for the testing purpose, I'm just going to manually mark it as done. And then you'll be able to see the button here as done and schedule next. When you click on this, it automatically triggers another activity based on weekly. Next, I'm going to create another activity, say for bi-weekly. So when you click on bi-weekly, it automatically updates the due date. I'm going to schedule it in case you're going to manually mark it as done. Next here, you could see it automatically updates the due date on bi-weekly basis. Next, for monthly, so it updates the due date for a month, and then we'll schedule it. When you mark it as done, manually do it, it updates based on monthly. So that's all about creating recurring activities on weekly or monthly basis. In case if you have any queries, please contact through the link provided in the description below. Thank you.